Hey guys, my name is Omar Zoub and this is another video test out of the iPhone 13 Pro. We're now trying the 4K 30 FPS to try 3 cameras all at the same time. I'm going to be vlogging kind of and walking to see also the sensor shifting stabilization, and as you can see, this is the biggest wheel in the entire world, and we can zoom in. This is the 1-time zoom and this is the 3-time zoom. And we can also test the stabilization. Go to 1x and this is 0.5x. We can also try out to see how far can we go. This is the 0.5, this is the 1x, and this is the 3x zoom. If we can zoom even more to 9x zoom, this is the max that the camera can zoom in video. I mean, I don't know about you, but if we zoom all the way to 0.5, that's a huge difference. Let's try to pull up this boat, and stabilization looking very good. By the way, this is also the mic from the iPhone 13 Pro. It's not very crowded here, but maybe you can see and hear the sound from the mics. The mics, as I said in the previous video, are much better than before, are clearer, and they sound more natural. So, yep, I tried to choose a very hard time for the camera, which is the sunset. Very harsh shadows and bright highlights. And by the way, this is also in HDR, so you can also see how the cameras are doing. This is 0.5x, and by the way, I'm going to be doing a lot more video tests and photo tests. This is also out of the camera, straight to YouTube, no editing, no nothing. That's why I'm stuttering a bit with talking. But if you want to see more video tests, then consider subscribing. And this is the biggest wheel in the world. Don't forget that life is all about love and dance. See ya.